We got that catamaran freed and operational. Can you give him lots of space so he can pull off, spin around, and head outbound? Over. No, we're trying to dock to the...
Oh my God.
Docking 7 Oceans?
So this catamaran's broke down.
Okay, roger that. Thank you.
And this boat's here trying to wait for the bridge. We're all trying to wait for the bridge. And at the same time, I think they got the catamaran. There was lines in there, so now they got another captain on there to try and get it out of here. This is a holiday weekend, Fort Lauderdale. Truly shit show.
Roads coming through.
We had boats everywhere.
Come on through, Tom. Almost. Right for the passenger. Next opening, please. Quick. Here you're leaving downtown Canada. 7 Oceans, still Thomas. You're going outbound, or that's all you had to tell. You first, or we get in first? Go first. Stand by over there. And I'll meet you port to port on your side. Be there? Okay, we stand by. 2 large yachts in tow, 2 separate tows. It's fully raised. Security call, 122-foot Abram Rose, outbound, New River, danger band approaching the tunnel. Any concern inbound traffic, Abram Rose, 09.
There's a lot going on.
Caution, 770 bridge going up, request the vessels, please remain outside fences to the bridges, fully raised tank.
Yeah, BC still tow.
17th Street Bridge, 17th Street Bridge. This is southbound sailing vessel update.
Northbound just went over southbound is... Correct. It's approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, thank you, sir. Hey, Dave, is that you? Nope, it's Jack. What's up, John? Oh, hey, Jack. Oh, you're good, brother. You're right.
Completely. I want to see what kind of height we have here.
Don't go hugging the side. You're going through the middle, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yell at me because I got my door open. Kyler, you hear me? You hear me? You let me know I'm clear. That feels. Clear by much. You're overthinking that. Like it doesn't work like you're thinking it works. That heading hold right there is good for. And on this particular Simrad is the best autopilot. And some of these, this one I believe we can even put in there set and drift, and it'll keep it hold that 20 on this course. Does that make sense? Yeah. Deanne. Okay. Nice. Okay, now you can back it back down to your just regular 5.5 knots. maybe he was scared he'd hit his antenna. That's not a big, let's see, 18, 19, no, that was 20 feet. That boat's gonna clear.
Thank you, Sunrise. We'll see you on our return.
So I mean, technically, we pull in there for dinner and go for another 2 hours. Do you know what I'm saying? So I stay on those docks all night. I'll literally. There's one over at Jacksonville. I just eat dinner and.
You can walk 12 feet and get some dinner.
Right. I mean, I do it. Sometimes though, they'll close the restaurant and say, "Hey, you can't park here."
I am almost clear.
9 feet.
What was the name of that one? Commercial? Was it?
Caution. Commercial Boulevard bridge spans are now lowering.
Commercial Boulevard Bridge. This is northbound Greenline. Thank you very much. We appreciate the opening. See you next time, and God bless.
Would have responded, Captain.
Roger that. We did call in.
Yeah. We thought
Stay coasting. Don't do anything because the bridge has got to be fully raised before we can go under it. These guys, it doesn't matter because they don't need the bridge. Does that make sense? But we need. So right now we have one motor. We got the port motor, diesel, and the starboard engine is hybrid. I say though, if we're going to anchor tonight, we need to start both diesels and just run the rest of the. Get our battery up to charge. And when you see that bridge, then you can put them in gear. This is where I like to be staged. Do you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
there's a lot going on here. It's just gonna tomorrow's gonna be, Sunday is gonna be just like, you're gonna see shit. Especially the weather's really, really nice. Oh, the sun's going down. It's cooling down in here nicely.
Both doors still open?
Yeah, I shut them. Shut everything.
No, I mean.
Oh yeah, they're open, wide open.
Northeast 14th Street Bridge. This is Greenline 48 coming northbound and ready for your opening on the quarter hour.
Copy, Captain. It'll be for you 6:15. Copy.
Copy that.
Copy that. Thank you.
Give me your vessel is. Copy.
Did he ask for the vessel name?
Vessel name, chosen course.
Thanks, Tim.
All right, nice job. Let's.
Thank you all for it.
Let's get past. Look at this. That's some high-end sport fishing boats right there. I'm gonna go get my face shield. Just take it nice and no wake past here. We'll get past these boats and then we'll head upstairs. Hillsboro Outlet. Brother, I mean, some of this is just stupid money. Wow, look at the two big yachts. throwing much of a wake right now. We're doing really good with our batteries. Look at this one over here, the starboard.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I could. Holiday weekend, we're gonna see the Popo out. So now he's got 2 boats tied off here. We're gonna show him courtesy. Just go around them and just nice and slow. We don't want to cause any wake. We don't want them bouncing around, hitting each other. So we could get fuel here, or we can't? Yeah, we can. So it's Rec 90 or diesel. I wonder what the price was.
What's the name of this bridge again?
Where's the iPad at?
It's right here on my lap. It was getting water. What's the name of this bridge again?
So me and the boss have a little bet here on what tomorrow morning we wake up. Now we're running 1 air conditioner all night long. The refrigerator. What else we got running? We got our anchor lights,
Receptacles.
the receptacles, the pads, our anchor. So we got everything that we need, and we're guessing that we can go. So right now it's saying 16 hours and 11 minutes. So we'll see what in the morning. But I took 60 and under, which I'm going to be right. It's going to be about 40. It's going to be under 50.
Yes.
All right, I'll give you under 50.
Because
I think
50
it is.
would be better.
Yeah, if it's over 50, you win. If it's under 50, I
It's
win.
my first day on the boat.
Yeah.
I'm learning.
Yeah. I think when I woke up in the other one, it was about 40, 45, which is good, I think.
Yeah?
I do. But anyway, well, our first night, what we could have done is stayed. I don't know if you guys saw that mess that we left in over there, but that was a disaster because that boat, I think a rope got caught in its propeller.
Catamaran.
The catamaran, and it was being pulled into the bridge. And so they had this throw lines to the dock. They got it tied off to the dock, but then it was blocking that ship next to us, and that's how we had to leave. And that was very tight maneuvering. That was
Good maneuvering by you.
It was
It's tight.
it was very tight. But we got out of there, and we knocked out about 20 miles, right? And even though we got a late start, and tomorrow we're just trying to knock out 100 miles. That's our goal. Everything over 100 is bonus. It's just we love about 120 a day. That's what we're going for right now. But some days we'll get it, and some days we'll do 150. Some days we're gonna get 90. Does that make sense? We'll just do the best we can every day. That's all we can do. You guys enjoyed day 1 on this. This is a bigger, because remember the other Greenline was a single screw, and this is a twin screw. And today we did everything with it. We did get a diesel engine with electric, and then we went all electric, and then we went all diesel. And so we got a lot of different trials today, and so tomorrow we'll just put her through her paces for the next 8 to 10 days and see what happens, and see how she runs out. But I was really impressed today. So tonight is our first night on Anchor. The key is they say 375 gallons of fuel, and if you manage it, and I'm talking like 5 knots here, so about 6.5 miles an hour, they say you can get almost 2,000 miles out of that 375 gallons of fuel. Now that's not what we're gonna do, because we are trying to get it home. So we're gonna go a little bit faster than that. We'll have days where we stay up on top, and we're gonna burn some fuel those days. We'll probably burn 100 gallons those days. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed day 1 here on the Greenline 48. I wanna hear your comments down below. What do you guys think of these hybrids? And I think Greenline, they're like I would say the Tesla of the electric boats.
I would agree.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's come to this caliber yet, because they've got 20 years of building these things now. So
No one's hybrid.
no, nobody. True hybrids.
True hybrid.
No.